people and tell them, sir, magkano yung pera mo sa bangko? Kasi normally when you talk to people, you pre-qualify. Di ba? Hindi ka mag-aksaya ng oro. Yung kausap mo, sorry, yung walang-wala. No? I mean, you qualify mo. So, paano mo malaman na may pera yung kasama mo? Katulad to si ma'am, iPhone, no? iPhone.
60.
Ma'am, ilan anak mo? 6. Ano phone nila? iPhone. Ibig sabihin may kaya. Ma'am, ilan bang ano mo? Cable? 3. Mayabang. Ma'am, ilan ang ano mo? Ang anak mo, ang ano niyan, magkano ang load niyan every day, every week? 1,000. O di, ibig sabihin, may qualified. So, ganun yan. Kaya ako tinatanong. Because if we are going to talk to people, we need to tell them, sir, yung 59,000 mo,
Opo.
kahit hindi ka na magbenta, tutubo yan. So,
Exactly.
these are things
Yeah.
that
Exactly.
we
That's
can
business.
convince people.
This is-
At
yeah,
marami
exactly.
tayong makukuha niyan, basta't totoo ang sinasabi mo.
Magkano
Kaya,
yung rebate?
Yun.
kaya nga, pumunta ka
Yan.
talaga
Siya,
bukas.
magkano yung
So,
pera
ang
na
kailangan
receive
ko
mo
dyan,
everyday?
ma'am, we need proof yung mga talagang kumita
Exactly.
na. Pangalawa,
Yeah.
how many years na to in the making. If you naabutan nyo nung araw, meron yung tinatawag na gold quest. Maganda eh. Kaya lang something went wrong. Ito, if this is really good investment, marami may pera. And I know how they can raise that money. Kung $100, ma'am, madali lang yan.
Okay.
Ay, pag sinabi wala akong pera, no, I can produce the money for you.
Yeah.
I can produce.
Makikita ngayon ni Seth yung ano sa next
Next
slide.
na
Basta
slide.
lang makuha ko
At
lang
least
yung
advance ka.
talagang
Yeah.
totoong
I got
kumita.
his
Advance ka
point,
talaga.
you know, I
Madali,
got it.
madaling ano yan, madaling
Kasi pag,
mag-convince.
just like sinasabi mo, when you put your money in the bank, point something lang, right?
Magkano lang?
But here is not. So,
We need to
I'm gonna
see-
show you because I have my own account, like
We need to see.
I purchase 1,000 US dollar and I'm receiving 1 point something US dollar per day.
Kahit itong mga to, yung mga nandito ngayon, sasabihin sa akin, wala akong
Yeah,
ganon.
yeah.
Sir, tutulungan kita kung paano ka magkaroon ng $1,000. Siyempre, secret yun. Pero
Yeah.
pagka nagpirmahan tayo, I can produce. Ma'am, mayabang ako pag kaya ko. I can produce right away 1,000. Who can get that?
Okay, next.
I can produce
So
that
yun
right
yung pangalawang
away.
kitaan. So first is yun na level, second is
Sige
yun.
lang.
The third one
Okay,
is
go
the
ahead, go. Next.
Matalino eh.
Someone earns $500 or even $50,000 per month is completely irrelevant, and this bonus applies from day one. It is not dependent on having reached
So ito yung
a career
pangatlong
level or
kitaan.
registering a specific number of direct partners. 5% matching bonus up to the 5th level. But that's not all. With the world pools, you have the
May,
opportunity.
Okay,
may
stop
catch you
natin.
there. Ako ma'am,
Stop
ganito po
natin.
marunong tumano ng utang na loob. Ang nagdala po sa amin si Kuya.
Kaya nga
So,
siya
si Kuya magiging
magsisend ng
upline
link.
ko.
Oo.
Tapos susunod si General. At
Oo.
ako, hindi ako didiretso sa inyo.
Tama yun,
I
tama.
believe
Yeah,
in good
exactly.
karma.
Exactly.
So,
We know the
kung hindi
protocol.
dahil kay Kuya, hindi ko kayo
We have the
makikilala. So,
protocol.
we have to give them, no?
Yeah.
Siya ang ilalagay nyo, upline.
Di,
tapos dyan.
meron na si Press.
Meron na.
Oo.
Buti,
nag-invite.
Wala. Doon na lang kayo sa gagawin namin
Pag-usapan
charbol.
natin yan,
Oo.
Ikaw, okay.
So ayun nga no.
Next na, next.
Yung matching bonus kanina no na ito.
Galing.
So we are done with it. So ito.
Press Ellie.
So ito yung pangatlong
Kaya
kitaan.
ka sa Diamonds.
Okay, ito yung pangatlong kitaan yung matching bonus.
One question. Is this a foreign owned or Filipino owned?
This is a European company.
But
And how many years are they?
It's fresh in the Philippines, but the company
Outside.
No, and the European people, they are not doing networking before.
They are diamonds.
Here in the
business.
Philippines.
Yeah.
They
You know
are-
why? You have a million soccer share. Alam mo yan? Yan, Malaysian. Ma'am, I'm a marketing man.
Yeah, I know.
Ang
Oh,
dami
no, yeah.
pinasok yan. Ganito yan kung magalit na. You have to be
Yes, yes,
careful
I
kasi
understand.
pangalan natin nakataya.
Exactly.
Karamihan ng
Tama
mga
po.
Malaysian company na nagdala rito ng networking, pag kumita na sila doon sa level ng 300 million, they all disappear from
Yeah,
the face of the
I'm
earth.
one of the
Kaya we have to be careful.
we
Ngayon,
are the victim of that.
yes, you have been a victim.
I
We've
stand
been
for
there
that
that.
because I understand
Now,
the crypto.
kung ito naman ay stable na European company at okay,
It's a,
the Philippine will be the
yes, sir.
Kaya nga
Star.
tomorrow you're invited.
Actually, before naging MLM siya, they are really stable because the founder business is diamond already.
Yeah, but,
Selling to the
Selling diamond.
the
They are
is
selling
this a
diamonds.
company or a what other business are they into?
They have real estate. They have hotels, I think, and they also have the diamond that they are selling to the royal families in part of the Europe and Dubai.
Are you sure you have a copy of that? Kasi
Yeah, we
Yeah,
have.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You can
Yeah,
attend
yeah.
our
And
our
you can attend.
Zoom,
Madali
Zoom
yun.
meeting.
Kaya
Tomorrow-
bastat yan.
Yeah.
Para maka-question ka sa Zoom meeting.
Then tomorrow you can talk to the CEO
There.
because he have the access to the founder and he knows. Actually, last December they are here in the Philippines, but
Ano nationality?
they are
Sa European.
German,
German
French,
or
European,
Austrian
British.
and German.
Sorry?
I think they are German or Austria.
Austrian, okay.
The main office is in Austria.
Okay, no problem. Austria has no track record of,
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And,
They're all
walang ganun
good
scammer.
people. They're all good
Yeah,
people.
these are all, ano.
Yeah,
So,
Clean yan, pero pag...
Clean.
No offense ha, no offense.
main office is
No
in
offense ha,
Austria.
sasabihin ko.
Istak ko na.
Rather, I will not deal with the...